Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create collection in Shopify. Okay, what we need to click on products. Okay, you need some products to add on your collection, and what we need to click on collection. Click on add collection. Okay, in this we need to add the name of title. We need to add summer collection, summer clothes. Okay, in the description we need to create from the AI. We need to copy the title and paste on your chat and add we need a description. Okay, this creating. Okay, we need to copy it. So we need to delete this. Okay, we add the description. Okay, what we need add a products on my collection. We need to click on browser. In this we need to add these products. What you need in your product, you can search from that and you can add your everything. Okay, we need to click on all and you can add also filter. Okay, what we need, we need to start from clicking this. We need only this product. We need to click on add. Okay, when I add, we need to go back on the upper side and we need to add an image for the collection. We need to add my logo of my store and click on add done. Okay, the collection was created. We need to click on save. Okay, when it is saved, we need to go back and here we go. We have was added the collection. We need to go on store and check the collection was added. Okay, we need to click on edit theme and see that the products was here. You check the products. Collection. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.